What was unique about the Fort Collins project was really the way they took all the vendors together, and they didn't just make partnerships between Fort Collins and the vendor. They made the partners part of a collective team, and that really drew the participation of the vendors into a much closer alignment than I'd seen in other projects. Siemens was initially contracted with Fort Collins to provide the meter data management system. We provided our flagship program, which is Energy IP, which acts as a central engine for the consumption data coming back into the utility, and then allows the utility to distribute that consumption data and makes the actionable information back into the utility and into the community. We went live successfully with that project back in the summer of 2012. And since that time, we've been asked to participate in the consumer engagement portion of the project. And that's really been a lot of fun, because a lot of times when you work on projects like these, you tend to be almost a black box, and it's a little bit hard to see the value. But when you're providing a technology that actually interacts and engages with the customer base, it gets to be a little bit more fun, and we've gotten to do that here at Fort Collins. I think what you'll see coming forward is that Siemens will take some of the technologies that Fort Collins has employed here and come up with new and innovative ways of linking that value chain together, and that will provide benefit not only to the utility but also its members and the environment at large. Fort Collins is a long-term partner, and we want to be a good partner to Fort Collins. So as they move down, we're sort of moving beyond the branding of smart grid into this term grid modernization. That's an ongoing process. And as I said earlier, the ability to take more and more of this data and make actionable information out of it is something Siemens will be with Fort Collins every step of the way to help them achieve.